Hello there, this is JR here. Ever heard someone say he's got that dog and him? Well, now that dog is on the blockchain. So what's a meme coin? Dogecoin, but with a new twist. A coin built around viral culture, community, energy, and fun. This meme project stands out because it's built around community. It's simple to understand, easy to get started with. It's backed by people, not banks. Now, hold up. Not all meme coins are gold. Crypto is risky. Always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. All my videos are for entertainment or educational purposes only. DYOR. Do your own research. Let's get it started. Yeah. Hey, something else for you. Want to course it in digital marketing, content creation, or business? Head to startyourcourse.com. Expert lead courses for under $30. Buy once, download, keep forever, and learn anytime. Start your success today. All right, quick overview. Let's see here. If you could browse, most of the courses are under $30. You could make a search, for instance, I would say Facebook, and gives you every course they have about Facebook. Same thing for YouTube. If you type Google and business and so forth, startyourcourse.com. As you know already, gotta give you a quick update about the entire crypto market. Check out the total market cap and all that good stuff. Let's go. Total market cap for today is $3.36 trillion. The market is up by 0.87%, and 24 hours volume is $150.26 billion. 24 hours volume is down by 4.35%, and Bitcoin is always dominating the market, which is a good thing. Bitcoin is currently trading $100,582, and 24 hours volume is down by 0.77%. 7 days is up by 6.44%. Total market cap is $2.1 trillion. 24 hours volume is $47.8 billion. That's a lot of money. All right, cool. Ethereum is currently trading $2,598, okay? And 24 hours volume is down by 3.38%. 7 days is up by 43.96%. Close to 44%. Total market cap is $313.7 billion. 24 hours volume is close to $30 billion. Wow. The XRP is currently trading $2.55. 24 hours volume is down by 0.68%, and 7 days is up by 19.80%. Total market cap is close to $150 billion. And 24 hours volume is $5.1 billion. Solar is currently trading $177, okay? Close to that. 24 hours volume is down by 2.92%. 7 days is up by 20.01%. Total market cap is close to $92 billion. And 24 hours value is $4.9 billion. BNB is currently trading close to $652. 24 hours value is down by 1.96%. 7 days is up by 8.50%. Total market cap is close to $92 billion. And 24 hours volume is close to $1.9 billion. Doge is currently trading a little over 23 cents. 24 hours volume is down by 2.20%. 7 days is up by 35.55%. Total market cap is $34.8 billion. And 24 hours volume is $2.3 billion. The ADA is currently trading 80 cents, okay? And 24 hours volume is down by 3.29%, and 7 days is up by 20.02%. Total market cap is $28.3 billion. And 24 hours volume is $1.2 billion. We got Tron. As you could see, 24 hours not doing good, and 7 days, almost everything is green. This is it for the state of the market. Let's look up for the coin dog and me. Yeah. It's currently trading $0.3091. It's down in a day close to 24%. Total market cap is $61.2 million. And 24 hours value is $21.1 million. It's down by 61.77%. Supply, we got 67.6 billion. Max supply, 69 billion. And circulating supply is 67.6 billion Doginme. And this is their website, X page, Telegram, and it's based on Base, which is a coin-based type of blockchain. Wallet, you could use Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Let's look at the chart in 7 days. Last week about this time was trading all-time high was $0.3052. May 7, 2025. And not do much all the way up here to $0.307. Okay, May 9, 25. As you can see, it dropped down and made a big jump over here to all-time high $0.2013, which was May 13, and dropping down. Since then, it's been trading at $0.3091. That's the current price. Let's click on all. It got on CoinMarketCap April 21st, 2024. It was trading all-time high $0.305 and dropped down. Kept dropping down. June 30th, 2024. All-time low was $0.409 and went up over here. All-time high $0.3031. September 29, 2024. Dropped down, consolidating over here, and went right back up to all-time high $0.2012. March 9, 2025. Kept climbing up and dropped down. Kept dropping down. All-time low was $0.35. Consolidating over here, went right back up to all-time high $0.2013, which was May 11, 2025. Since then, it's been trading $0.2013 to $0.3091, which is the current price. Let's look at Doginme markets. Coinbase has it. Bank, XT.com. Wow. Coinbase jumped on this thing earlier than Crypto.com and Kraken, which is good. All right, then click on that website quick. Doginme about details, wage, exchanges, means. Got that dog in here swap and this tokenized self-billing. No, but I got that Doginme. 69 billion Doginme tokens deployed on Base L2, which is the blockchain owned by Coinbase. Token contract, immutable, and LP burn, zero taxes. Wow, for people that want to buy it using wallet. And how to bridge to Base, and that's set for the website. Always take your time to go over the site yourself. Check out that Twitter page, X, 15.6K followers. And what else we got? 5 hours. And they're active on Twitter, May 13, which is today, and they tweeting almost every 2-3 hours. Wow, that's good. That's it for X, and let's exit out of here. We're gonna look at price performance. Past 24 hours, all-time low, $0.309. All-time high, $0.2013. All-time high for the past 2 months, $0.2017. Dropped down 48.54%. And all-time low for the past 8 months, $0.407, and gained a percentage by 1,200.6%. Wow, cool. Yeah, that's the end for Doginme. Let's exit out of a CoinMarketCap. And that's the lowdown on Doginme. Whether you're here to learn or just laugh at memes with a little money on the line, welcome to the wild side of crypto. All my videos are for entertainment or educational purposes only. Please continue to watch, like, subscribe, and stick around for more beginner-friendly breakdowns. All right then, bye.